where Bellis comes right up. Black Warrior's on gate and we're close to a dispatch. Starters happy, lets them go, they're racing. Trev's No Angel was being reined off. The arm showing speed were both Black Warrior and Webb Ellis. And deep on the track, Blower Cloud is taking closer order, four abreast as they launch past the post, around to go. Behind those, Franco Novak, Jacket Turk, and then a length and a half, two away, then in fact to Manaway. It covers up O'Needon Onyx about 3 lengths away, Boys in Blue, Chirac, and Colonel Joy will bring up the rear as they leave the straight now and run inside the 1200 metres, 27-2 first quarter. Trev's No Angel led. Blower Cloud has worked around the outside to sit second. Third spot, Franco Novak, and into the 1x1 trail now is Webb Ellis. In behind those is O'Needon Onyx, 3 markers in about 5th spot. The next one, Black Warrior, 3 back in the moving line, covering up Manaway. Then Jacket Turk, Boys in Blue and Chirac, and last of all, as they run down the back straight, is Colonel Joy. 850 metres left to run. It's Trev's No Angel, the leader. Only about a neck in front of Blower Cloud. 31 second quarter. 58 to the half. Third is Franco Novak, coiled away on the inside of Webb Ellis and O'Needon Onyx. The next one, Black Warrior and Manaway. They were followed by Jacket Turk and Boys in Blue, and the last pair are Chirac, and back with it is Colonel Joy. 500 metres left to go in a pretty tight and compact bunch. Trev's No Angel led, but Blower Cloud really goes out after it now, and he's got to get busy on the inside with this favourite, Trev's No Angel, joined by Blower Cloud. Nowhere to go, Franco Novak. Webb Ellis about to peel and go. Ditto for Black Warrior as they straighten up. 27-9 third quarter, and going to the leaders, Blower Cloud. Trev's No Angel kicks back on the inside. They're having a good battle. It's Blower Cloud about a half in front of Trev's No Angel. They're clear from Franco Novak getting out with Webb Ellis, but now Blower Cloud pulls clear, and Blower Cloud went home to win it by a length and a half. In second spot, Trev's No Angel, probably Franco Novak third. Jacket Turk and Black Warrior were close up, disputing fourth and fifth, and then came making good ground up on the inside late, Manaway at big odds. Next one, Webb Ellis, O'Needon Onyx, followed then by Colonel Joy, Boys in Blue, Chirac always well adrift, 26-7 last split, home in 54 and 6, 152.7 the run.